Hey guys, I'm Nicholas McMeans, and I'm going to do a DVD unboxing of VeggieTales. God wants me to forgive them. A lesson in forgiveness. I already got Where's God When I'm Scared and Gideon Tupo Warrior. Now I already got Good Friends Double Feature, but I'm not going to show you that. Anyways, this is the second episode of VeggieTales. Here's the front, spine. It's made by Big Idea. And the back, cranking grapes and a loony lagoon. Special bonus feature: the Forgive-O-Matic, and its running time of 30 minutes, and it's reaching 1. So let's open this up and check out the disc. Here's the disc. And that's it for VeggieTales. God wants me to forgive them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Click the like button if you love this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.